Ah, fuck you! You're a bunch of pussies and fags!
Nice.
I'm going back to the meeting!
Good.
I'm going to be somebody!
Yeah. See you later, Mel.
You always were an asshole, Mickey!
Hey, watch where you're going.
Hey! Hey!
I tried to tell you.
Fuck you!
Excuse me. Позвони мне когда. Хорошо? So, Ivan, I see you later, okay? Yoko, Fete Romanskaza. What's your name again?
Big mouth prick.
Very catchy. Sit down. Cousin... Nico. That's it, Nico. Not big mouth prick. You funny guy.
I try.
Yes, and this one's, I'll let you take the shit out of me.
Take this shit?
Yes, Mickey about.
I don't understand.
Ah, people who fuck with me get fucked with.
Okay, fine. Calm down.
Whatever. Some old man not paid me in months, and I'm not kind of person who is treated this way. Old bastard owns a china shop in the Campton Avenue in Dukes. Here you go. Don't hurt him. Just teach him a lesson.
I don't need a bat to teach a lesson. We're going to...
Hey, let me in. You have lent protection money, old man.
Big Vlad and his protection money? I so scared. What I need protection from?
You think this door is going to save your shop? There's shit I can break out here.
Vlad should pay me to tell punks like you to go away. He get no money.
How's the click, I say? Los santos homies buritis, pinches levas alive.
You wanna start something, pendejo?
Stop in traffic.
Stop it, shitbrain! I pay up now. I pay up. Here's your money. I hope you and Vlad choke on it.
Sure, whatever.
Who wants my meat?
Where does America go to buy razors?
Hey, Yoko. You managed to do the job? Get Vlad his money?
He paid up. I had to smash the shop up pretty good, but he paid.
Don't worry your little peasant head about it. Stupid jerk made a mistake of telling me how much he gets that shit for back east. He's the biggest crook in the neighborhood. Lucky I don't tell his customers what they're paying for.
That it? Can I go now?
Sure. Get out of my face.